Starting a Data Services LLC might sound like a big task, but with the right guidance, it's totally doable. Today, we'll walk through the steps to get your Data Services LLC up and running smoothly. First off, why choose an LLC? Well, it's a popular choice because it offers protection for your personal assets. Think of it like a protective bubble. Your business liabilities stay separate from your personal finances. Plus, it provides some nice tax benefits. Now, let's break it down. First, you'll need a unique name for your LLC. It should reflect your business, but also comply with your state's naming rules. Remember, you'll need to check if the name is available in your state. Next up, filing the Articles of Organization. This is a key step where you officially register your business with the state. It sounds fancy, but it's just a form that outlines basic details about your LLC. After that, you'll need an operating agreement. This document lays out the rules and plans for your business. It's not always required by the state, but having one can be super helpful to keep things clear between you and any partners. Before you start offering your data services, take a minute to define what you'll specialize in. Are you focusing on analytics, cloud management, or maybe data security? Knowing your niche early helps you stand out and attract the right clients from the start. Don't forget about an EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number. It's like a social security number for your business and is crucial for taxes and hiring employees. And then there's the business license. Depending on where you're setting up shop, you might need one or more licenses or permits. It's essential to check the local requirements to stay compliant. Also, since you'll be handling sensitive information, make sure your business has strong cybersecurity measures. Protecting client data not only builds trust, but also keeps you compliant with privacy laws, a big win for your reputation. Another smart move is setting up a solid online presence from the start. Build a professional website and keep your LinkedIn and business profiles active. This helps potential clients find you easily and adds credibility to your Data Services LLC. Now, all of this might seem a bit overwhelming, but that's where legalregistration.com comes in. We can handle the paperwork and make sure everything is filed correctly. Just visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 to get the support you need. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Keep your personal and business finances separate from day one. It makes accounting easier and keeps that protective bubble intact. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Good luck with your Data Services LLC, and see you next time.